I let AI completely write this video. This is a video on travel and travel tips made completely by AI. I'm going to read the script that it sent me and we're going to go from there. So, without further ado, let's do this. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about something a bit different but extremely useful. Travel hacks. Whether you're a seasoned traveler like me or planning your first trip, these simple yet brilliant hacks will make your travel a lot smoother, efficient, and fun. So let's dive in. My first tip to you is to travel off-season. Visiting destinations during the off-season often results in fewer crowds, lower prices, and a more relaxed environment. This can drastically improve the travel experience and help you enjoy local attractions better. Picture this. You're packing your bags, but there seems to be something wrong. You're running out of space and quickly. The solution? Roll your clothes. Don't fold them. Not only does this create more space, but it also reduces the wrinkles. Trust me, your clothes and your bags will thank you. Recharge your electronics through your TV. Most hotels and Airbnbs will have a TV, so if you forget your charging brick, simply plug the USB connector in the back or the side of the TV, making it a lot easier to charge your device. But we're just getting started. Let's go through the rest of the hacks a bit faster, but don't worry, they're all as useful as the first ones. Do a little grocery shopping. Save on dining costs abroad by exploring the local markets and try some fresh and new food. Download useful apps like Google Translate for real-time translations and Maps.me for offline maps of the local area. Wake up early, beat the crowds. Enjoy the attractions in peace and its magical time for photos. Keep your devices charged. Bring a power bank in case and ensure you don't lose power when you most need it when taking photos. Freshen up your suitcase. By placing a dryer sheet in the suitcase, you can keep your suitcase smelling great and fresh throughout your trip. Keep a digital backup. Scan all your essential documents and then email them to yourself. Pack smart. Choose versatile yet comfortable clothing. Remember, dark clothes hide dirt. Get cash. Use local ATMs instead of currency exchanges. You'll often get better rates. Speak to your bank. Let them know that you're traveling and ensure your card doesn't get blocked. That's useful. That's happened to me a few times. Lastly, be spontaneous. Don't plan everything out. Leave space for unexpected adventures and discoveries. Make your journey as exciting as the destination you're in. And there you have it, folks. 13 brilliant travel ideas that you may have not known about. Adopt these on your next trip and you'll be traveling like a pro. If you found these helpful, do hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks and hacks. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.